So welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. On this channel, we focus on fashion, beauty, luxury, as well as styling. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider joining our community by subscribing. So in today's video, we have one of my favorite videos to do. What's new in my wardrobe. I picked out some new pieces from Zara's as well as I think from Free People, and so I'm going to show you these pieces. I'm going to style them, and in full transparency, I have gained 15 pounds, and I am not one of those people that are afraid to go up a size. So I have been purchasing things at my newer size until I can return back to my older size, unless I don't feel like returning back to my older size, but whatever. The first piece that I purchased from Zara's, and I would definitely recommend, is this long denim trench coat. I know a few months ago, there was another light wash denim trench coat that went out of stock quickly, that went viral, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't get that denim coat because I'm more of a darker wash denim coat. And I also love that this is high necked. This is a high neck denim coat, which means I can wear it even in the winter. So this is the beautiful trench coat that I bought. It retailed for $109, which I think is a little bit more affordable than the previous denim trench coat that went, you know, the girls went crazy about. I love the length of it. I love the wash of it. I also love just the overall style of it, as well as the arms have belt. It also has a belt around the waist to cinch it. Now, I tried this on in a medium at the store, and the medium was a little bit too snug for my liking, so I went with my regular size, which is a size large. The only con that I will say about this jacket is that it doesn't have a zipper.
Snap buttons.
Buttons that I don't like. So I would have preferred that it came with a zipper, but overall it is a heavyweight jacket. And I think if you can get your hands on it, definitely this is a must-have for the fall. So the next item that I purchased from Zara's is these Faux Fur Sandals. And as you know, the faux fur is in, especially in footwear. Now, I bought them in my regular size. I am usually an 8, 8.5, so I tend to buy a 39. And they fit great. They are very soft, very comfortable. It reminds me of like the Uggs. The only complaint that I would say is like, if you have a larger big toe, it's not adjustable. So maybe over time it will stretch, but I feel like these are some just cute slides to have. Retailed for $59.90. Is the metallic Bustier. I actually purchased this original price when it came out a few months ago. For the original price was $35.90, but they now currently have them on sale for $17.99. So if you weren't able to get one of these, I would definitely recommend. The only thing I would say is that I definitely had to go up a size, so I went up to a size extra large to have it fit me. Now, when I went in the store, they had them in, I didn't know that it came in black. They had it in a metallic black, they have it in the gold, and they have it in this color. So moving along, as you know, bombers are in. And I bought this satin cream bomber, and because I have bombers, but I don't have anything in this lightweight satin kind of material, except for I do have a members only black jacket, and it retailed for $69.90, but it was actually on sale for $35.99. And I actually purchased it in a size extra large because these bombers are cropped, and I prefer to have it a little bit more. When I buy it in a larger size, it gives me the length that I need as a tall girl. So I definitely bought it in an extra large because I wanted it to not be too cropped and be able to wear it for work. So the next item I just literally got in the mail 5 minutes ago. I was waiting for these items before I made this video. And I actually saw a shorts of a girl wearing these items, and I ran to the Zara website to get it. And a few days later, in Zara Fashion, it was sold out. So it is these denim joggers. As you know, denim has been one of the top trends for the last few months, the last few seasons. And so when I saw these, it's denim in the front and then it has the gray jogger in the back. Now, it actually had a top that, you know, they recommend to buy with it, but I already have a denim top from Zara's that I think I could pair well with, or another denim shirt that I feel like I could pair well with. And I feel like these are just going to be phenomenal as statement piece to wear, especially with that denim coat that I just purchased, that denim trench coat that I just purchased from Zara's. So if you can get your hands on it, get your hands on it. Now, I bought it in a size large, and because the large was they only had small, medium, and large. They did not have extra large. They did not have 2X, so I'm just letting you know. And it retailed for $49.90. Next piece that I got in the same order is this satin slip skirt. Now, I love the olive greens for the fall. Now, I bought it in an extra large just, you know, in case, but I feel like I could have gone with a large. Now, it retailed for $45.90, and I cannot wait to style this. It's just a nice satin olive green satin skirt. You can't go wrong with that, especially for this transitional Next item that I bought was these two-toned black and white loafers. Now, I was hesitant to buy loafers from Zara's because I actually bought some loafers last year from Zara's, and those things hurt my feet. I've only worn them once, and I'm not the type, I don't like to break things in. Like, you know, I'm not the type to break things in. I feel like it should be broken in already. So I've been reluctant to buy loafers from Zara's. However, this loafer, they're saying it's made with that, what is it? Air Fit Extra Comfort Technical Insole Foam. So there's actually a foam inside at the bottom of it, but the rest of the loafer is still a little bit stiff for my liking. But when I saw this contrasting two-tone color, I just knew I needed to have it because black and white is a staple piece within my wardrobe. Now, they retail for $49.90, and of course, I got it in my traditional size, which is a 39, and I can't wait to style this. That's the Chanel-esque jackets on sale in multiple colors. They had them in like in a beige, a pink, and a blue. But I have no blazers in this hunter green color. So I actually wanted to get this in a hunter green. Now, what I love about it, I love the fit of this jacket. It is not, I don't think I have a broad shoulders, but sometimes depending on the size of a coat, it tends to be tight on the shoulders and not fit me in the hips. And I feel like because it's more of a crop fit, and it's more of a boyfriend fit, more of a roomy fit, that it fits spectacular for my shape. So I bought this in a size large. It originally retailed for $89.90, and then they had it in sale. They have it on sale in the stores for $45.99. So these are the pieces. Last but not least, from Urban Outfitters, I found these beautiful sandals. They are white with black stitching. They have the chunky soles. And I'm holding them like this because I already wore them. They are by, I think, Misty, M-I-I-S-T-A. And when I did a quick Google search in Urban Outfitters, they were retailing on sale for, I believe it was $106. And I ended up purchasing this for $54.90. Now, I purchased them in a size, I think they're a size 38. And I have worn these already, as I said. Now, in the tri-state area, it's still 90 degrees. So I'm going to have a few weeks that I can still wear these. And if anything, if I want to be, you know, still wear them when they're cold, I'll just be like this younger generation and throw socks on and throw them on my feet. But they are extremely comfortable. They are of good quality. And I have no white sandals currently in my wardrobe. So I was definitely looking forward to incorporating this in my existing wardrobe. So we're going to style this beautiful trench coat that I just bought from Zara's. And I am currently wearing this geometric dress from Zara that I bought a few years ago. I'm going to pair them with this Faux Fur Sandals. Now I currently have on these earrings from Banana Republic. So we got this satin bomber from Zara. So we're going to pair it with this H&M dress. And I'm going to keep on my fur from Zara's with this old H&M bag that I have. Okay, so we have the Zara's tweed jacket with a basic white Gap shirt. I paired them with my Nostrum Mom jeans and the white and black sandals that I recently purchased, and this green bag that I actually bought from Amazon. And so this is the look. Have on my Banana Republic earrings that incorporates the green and the brown, and it's just a fun, festive look. So next we have the metallic silver bustier with the olive green satin dress. I also paired it with this overcoat that I got from Zara's a few months ago during the sale. Now I couldn't decide whether I wanted to wear it with my Miss Lorraine boots or the new Faux Fur Sandals that I recently purchased from Zara's. And then I paired it with my H&M handbag, and this is the next look. We have black and white overload, this white and black polka dot jacket from the Gap, white and black polka dot, white and black striped dress from the Gap, my new black and white loafers from Zara's. They are extremely comfortable with the extra padding soles. My Chanel handbag, my anklet from Amazon, and my earrings is from a black owned business. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'll put it somewhere. And I just love this. This is like a preppy girl look for my 9 to 5. So yeah. So the next we have these denim jogger pants. Let me show the back. I paired them with this denim crop top that I got from the Limited, a white basic bandeau top that I got from Forever 21, and my denim bag from Zara's, as well as my denim chucks that I've had for years. And this is the next outfit. I have on my Banana Republic earrings.